Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Apple Card user planning an international trip, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to use your Apple Card overseas, so you can shop, dine, and travel with ease. Let's dive right in. First off, before you jet off, make sure your Apple Card is fully set up in the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is your gateway to seamless transactions abroad. Once you're good to go, look for Apple Pay at merchants. It's widely accepted in many countries, allowing you to tap and pay just like at home. This contactless method is not only convenient but also super secure, thanks to features like Face ID or Touch ID verification. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, currency conversion. When you make a purchase in a foreign currency, Apple Card automatically converts it to USD. The good news? There are no foreign transaction fees, which means you save money compared to traditional cards. However, always check the current exchange rates using apps like Z or your bank's tools to avoid any surprises on your statement. Security is a big priority when traveling. Apple Card uses advanced fraud protection, so if a transaction seems off, it might get flagged. If that happens, don't panic. Just open the Wallet app, verify your identity, and approve the purchase if it's legit. Also, keep an eye on your account through the app for real-time updates and to spot any unauthorized charges quickly. One more tip. Not every place accepts Apple Pay, so have a backup like cash or another card. And remember, while Apple Card works in over 40 countries, it's always smart to notify your bank about your travel plans to prevent any holds on your account. There you have it. Using your Apple Card overseas is straightforward, secure, and fee-free. Safe travels, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.